Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken lollipop vismi food. Cut drumettes into lollipop shapes, clean and trim excess skin, then push meat to one end. Marinate with ginger, garlic, soy, and spice blend, and refrigerate to absorb flavor. While marinating, prepare a crispy batter and set up a shallow oil pan for frying. I'll guide you step by step so results are juicy and restaurant-worthy. Mix a balanced marinade with ginger, garlic, soy, and a little vinegar to brighten flavors, then coat the lollipops evenly and refrigerate. For the batter, combine plain flour, corn flour, salt, and chilled water to create a semi-thick coating that fries crisp. Keep the batter cold and rest it briefly to trap small bubbles for texture. I'll explain proportions and show coating technique so every piece fries evenly golden brown. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated while busy in the kitchen. It seals well and fits cup holders, making sipping easy between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil to the right frying temperature so the lollipops cook through without burning the exterior. Maintain medium-hot heat and monitor pieces closely. Fry until a consistent golden color and internal juices run clear, then drain briefly and toss with a final spice sprinkle for added punch. Plate with a zesty dipping sauce and lemon wedge for contrast. I'll share tips to test doneness and keep each lollipop succulent and full-flavored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.